Hello, my name is Dr. Kate Price. I am a pediatric psychologist in the division of child and adolescent psychiatry and psychology, and in the division of gastroenterology. I mostly do psychology. I do outpatient therapy. I do consults and intake interviews. I am just starting to work in gastroenterology and very excited about it. The type of patients I see generally are kids and teens who have chronic or acute medical conditions. So while I'm working with gastroenterology, it'll be any kids or teens who have disorders like Crohn's disease, celiac disease, constipation, those sorts of things. And when patients first interact with me, it'll typically be in the multidisciplinary clinic. We'll just get to know each other. I'll learn a little bit about you as a well-rounded person, but also about what's been going on with your illness or disease, and really just talk about how behavioral health supports can help you out with that. Part of my goal is to give kids and their families education and be a little bit of a translator between the medical team and the family or the patient. But another part of my job, in addition to that education, is to give kids kind of behavioral tools and strategies that they can use to cope with their illness or disease, but also just to feel better all around in their life. I've wanted to be a psychologist since I was in high school. I think that mostly comes from being in a family when I was a kid that really utilized mental health services. And it was just seen as something very positive, very helpful. And that really stuck with me. I utilized mental health services and behavioral health services as a kid. Just wanted to give back to future generations of kids and teens. I am a Louisville native, born and raised here. I only went away to pursue my education. So I went to Center College in Danville, came back to Louisville to go to Spalding for grad school, and then took some adventures to Delaware and Missouri to do my residency and fellowship training, but I just had to get back to Louisville. So here I am. When I have downtime, I really like to read. I'm a bit of a homebody, but when I am getting out of the house, I like to go to concerts, go out to eat, just enjoy Louisville and all it has to offer.